welcome back to another Toyscoveries video. Look what I have to unbox today. I have a Lego DUPLO set, but it's not any ordinary set. It's the Cars 3 DUPLO set. And we're gonna get to assemble a lot of cool stuff. So let's take a look at the box and see what it includes. So it has Luigi here with a flag, a green flag. So he's gonna tell us who won the race. We have Lightning McQueen here and Jackson Storm, and they're racing to compete for the Piston Cup. That's sitting right up there. And we're gonna get to assemble this arch here, this starting line. Well, it's actually a finish line. And let's see in the back. So we can do this stand over here with Legos that has Luigi sitting on it. And we're gonna get to assemble Jackson Storm, Lightning McQueen, and we have the starting arch over here, and then this stand over here, and a lot of fun stuff. So let's open up the box and see all our pieces. So this is what the box includes. These are the instructions that shows us how to assemble each piece. And these are the bags with all our pieces. So let's open them up and get started. So we have all our building pieces here, and we have Luigi here in this little baggie. Let's get him out of there. There we go, you're all free. And now McQueen, we have to free him from the bag. Oh, he's stuck in there. There we go. He's freed from the bag. And Jackson Storm. Here he is. So now that all our pieces are out of the plastic bag, we can get assembling. So first, we're going to assemble the two cars, which is McQueen and Jackson Storm. Some red wheels, so these must belong to Lightning McQueen. There we go. We put some fresh wheels on Lightning McQueen, and now he's ready to race. Let's set him to the side and put some wheels on Jackson Storm. These are too small. We have to find another set. I think this is the right fit because it's also gray. Oh, there we go, a perfect match. We'll set him to the side, and our last car that's missing wheels is Luigi. And the small wheels probably belong on him. There we go. How cool. Now all cars have wheels. Now that all the cars have wheels, we should get assembling. Let's start with this. Let's assemble this, which is the starting line. This white piece, blue piece, and a lighter blue. And then we're gonna set that there, and we're gonna work on our middle piece, which is this one over here. Like that. And then we're going to put this piece over here and leave it there and work on our third stand, our third pillar, which is over here. Now we're going to connect this white piece over here, like that. There we go. Now that we have our starting line, and we can use this to set the piston cup on. There we go. That's it. So our starting line is complete. We're gonna set it over here, and we're gonna bring in Luigi. He's going to wear the flag so he can call out who won, and Lightning McQueen with Jackson Storm are going to race. We're going to put the starting line over here. Jackson Storm there. McQueen over here. No cheating. And then they're gonna go. 3, 2, 1, go! Now while they're racing back, we have to turn this around. Have Luigi sit over here. I think I hear them coming. Whoa! I think Lightning McQueen won this one. What do you think, Luigi? He thinks so too. We're gonna put the flag on Mr. McQueen because he won it fair and square. Congratulations, McQueen. Jackson Storm, you'll win the next race. Let's give him the piston cup. So by putting some of the Legos together, we created this piece over here. This assembly over here. And it's where Luigi can sit to announce officially the winner. We're going to put the piston cup banner over here and on top of the cup like that. And in our last assemble, we saw that McQueen won the race, so he should come over here to accept the piston cup. And here is Jackson Storm. And that's another piece you can create with these Legos. And I think for our last piece, we should make this piece over here. And the last arrangement that I put together is this one over here. So we put this together. We put all these Lego pieces together, and this is the end result, just like the pictures. So whatever I've created, you can create with these Legos that this Lego DUPLO box comes with. And you can have a lot of fun, and you can do it like the pictures, or if you don't want to do it like the pictures, you don't have to. You can create your own stands and your own races, and you can choose for Jackson Storm to win or for McQueen to win. Hey, even Luigi can race if he wants to. So you can do whatever you like and get creative if that's what you want to do. I hope you had a lot of fun watching me assemble these Legos together. And if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Toyscoveries for more fun and educational videos like this one. On this channel, you'll find lots of unboxing, lots of puzzle making. We're gonna learn about different things. There's a lot more videos to come, so make sure you also click the red bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Until the next one, kids, bye!